बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in. I hope so guys you like these plant or pot decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very unique craft work for you guys, and I hope so you like these plant or pot decoration ideas. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very unique, very decent and very pretty collection for you guys, and hope so you enjoyed these plant or pot decoration ideas. These are very beautiful and these are very amazing and very stunning plant or pot decoration ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these plant or pot decoration ideas. So guys, remember me in your prayers. These are very pretty collection for you guys, and these are very unique ideas for you guys. So guys, I hope so you enjoyed these plant or pot decoration ideas. Hope so you like these plant or pot decoration ideas, and you also watch different tutorials on YouTube about how to paint these type of pots, and you also leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like this video. And I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super stunning, super unique and most beautiful collection for you guys. So viewers, thank you for watching my videos, and I am glad to see you all. Stay tuned for the next video, and these are very stunning collection for you guys. Must watch this video and must paint your pots like this and enjoy your craft and decorate your gardens or rooms, whatever. And hope so you like this video and share this video with your friends, and keep remember me in your prayers. Always think positive and always be happy and take care of yourself. These are very stunning collection for you guys, and you must enjoy this collection. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.